So in Bermuda, we fly kites on Good Friday. Originally, it was to represent Christ rising. Nowadays, you'll see a lot of people flying them to display the designs, to display the creativity, the artwork. But the kites are always the biggest part of Good Friday. It's something about creating a traditional kite, being able to put together colors and pastel colors and make it pop and just create something that's unique to you. I actually learned how to make a kite from my mom, believe it or not, when I was about 7. I really vividly remember her telling me that she's only gonna teach me once, so I better pay attention. So the cultural significance of passing on the skill of making a kite to a younger person would be that they get to continue the tradition. They got to keep that fire of it burning and keeping it alive. The feeling that you get when you put your kite up and you see it up in the sky, once that light hits your kite and you're able to see the actual design and the color and the work it took to put into it, it's no better feeling than make you proud. So for me personally, the Hill Good Friday event and flying kites, you'll get everybody in the family, the mama, the aunties coming to the church just to sit up and pull up and enjoy the vibes. People want to see who's got the best kite, whose kite makes the most noise. You get to see a lot of fun castles for the kids. If we're talking Good Friday, Easter Sunday is nothing that's bigger in Bermuda than fish cakes and hot cross buns. And the biggest thing is just being able to enjoy each other, being around your friends, being around your family. I don't think it's something that we should ever let die. It's unique to us. Obviously, there's places all around the world that make kites, but the way we make our handmade kites is just nothing else like it.